Alrighty. You need to interact with chat more. I literally started my live a minute and a half ago, bro. Like, I literally just started my live. Pull up. Okay, still. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so it's 2 minutes. Let's check news. Let's see if there's any news. Jolt's jobs at 7 a.m. Okay, so probably won't get a trade till after 7 a.m. That's usually what happens when there's red folder news like that. Bro believes he's Playboy Cardi. I don't believe in Cardi at all. Not at all. I don't really like that very much. I want it to take buy side liquidity first. I don't want it to go down quite yet. We got Wyatt hammered last night. He was nonverbal. Are you sure he wasn't just faking it like all the other times? Oh, there's a decent amount of volume. Good amount. No, he was matching me. I was drunk. It's fire. I'm gonna watch this while I cook my fries. Yo, it's 6:30 in the morning. What you mean cook your fries, bro? Why are we fucking selling off right now? This is absurd. $70 to sell side. 26 points. Alrighty, well. see. I wonder if this fair value gap will hold. I see it came down here to the inverse. Oh, I wanted to take buy side first before it moves down to sell side. You're bullish? Not really, but I wanted to take internal buy side first since we were like 30 points away from internal buy side. So I wanted to take internal buy side first before it takes before we move down further. That's just kind of what I want to happen because I don't like that we're playing so close to you know, internal buy side range. The 4 hour is I apologize. The 4 hour isn't really looking like super clean. Like it's kind of flat right here. I mean, there's this opening range gap, but still, I don't really like currently see a target of where it's really going. It's kind of flat since like yesterday, or since like Friday, whatever day June 2nd was. So yeah, I mean, we are kind of down. Like we are in a downtrend for sure, but we'll just kind of have to wait and see with this one what it does. Cause I mean, either way, I'm not looking to catch the whole move, right? So I'm looking to catch just a small portion of it. So if I can get an idea of what the internal liquidity is for the day, then I'm okay with that. Oops, I did not mean to do that. So, yeah. So even right now it's kind of flat, but then again we have Jolt's job openings at 7 a.m. So we have red folder news then. Probably won't be able to get a trade until after 7 a.m. So just have to wait and see for that. Fake Guru TJR clone. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm tired this morning. I don't know why. I didn't go to bed late. I went to bed at like 9:30 last night. Something like that. I didn't even go to bed hella late. Yeah, the market's really not going to do anything until after 7 a.m. with news, so it's always fun to sit here until something happens. But I do need to check my emails real quick, because just came across your channel. Keep working hard, man. You'll make it. Hey, bro, I appreciate that. Thank you. Hold on, I need to go blow my nose real quick. Sorry about that. Yeah, my allergies are still bothering me, and it's like summertime. It's like June. Literally, spring is almost over. My neighbors or my nose shouldn't be bothering me, but it still is. I don't know why. It's frustrating though. Yeah, not much is really happening right now, at all. Yeah. Just watch out. The market's gonna be flat until after news, so we got like 15 minutes left, and then it should be good to trade in about 20 minutes, I would say. But until then, that's one thing about trading is like, man, it's a lot of really just sitting here and waiting. Like, that's what a lot of people don't understand is most of the time you're just sitting here and waiting. It's kind of boring, but that's kind of the name of the game, I guess. So. Yeah, I was thinking about this the other day. It's always like super weird to think about. Like, there's so many like other people literally sitting here doing the same thing as me right now, like looking probably for the same things that I'm looking for. Like, then there's so many other people doing that. Like, I don't know. It's just weird. But yeah, it's a lot of just sitting and waiting, which isn't obviously the funnest thing to do in the world, but it is what it is, and that's a part of the game. BLS. See? You just sit here. You just sit here and wait for trades. Gets boring, but it's okay. Oops, I did not mean to pull that up. Oh, wait, what about the rest of the week? Tomorrow there's PMI. Thursday, unemployment claims. And Friday, there's NFP, average hourly earnings, and unemployment rate. Alright, that's interesting. Next week there's some heavy news. Nothing on Monday. Monday's definitely not going to be a trading day. Tuesday, 10-year bond, CPI, and FOMC all next Wednesday. Thursday's PPI and 30-year bond auction. And then next Friday is Treasury currency report. When does Powell speak next? When does Powell speak next? I hope it's not in the near future. It doesn't look like I have to worry about Powell in the month of June. So that's good. That's always good. Man, it's already 6:50. It's gonna be really hot today, guys. Like, really fucking hot. It's supposed to be 100 degrees where I am today. And I have to go out and I have to work later. I'm helping my dad build a deck at someone's house, and I have to go build a deck in 100-degree heat. So it should be pretty fun. .97 is not that hot. My phone said it was gonna be 100, and yeah, it actually is that hot. I don't know where you're living, but 97's pretty fucking warm, dude. Looks like it's rejecting off this inverse right here. Quite a lot. What's up, bro? Yeah, it looks like it's rejecting off this inverse. It's just, which is interesting, but actually no, it's rejecting off this one right here. Got this inverse for value that it's rejecting off of. So yeah, pretty much just wait until 7 a.m. after news. Why is it so bright right there? Hold on, I need to close this blind. Much better, much better. Sun was like blaring in my room. Alright, the 4-hour candle closes in 7 minutes. So, got 7 minutes and 25 seconds until news comes out. How do you do your morning setup? So usually to do my morning setup, what I start out by doing is I go on the 15-minute chart and I mark out the 15-minute highs and I mark out the 15-minute lows because usually those are liquidity zones. Because I'm usually targeting like the previous night low or previous night high, depending on where we are specifically. And then after that, I also like to go onto, as you can see over here, the 4 hour time frame. I look at the 4 hour and I look at if there's any draws really. And like, as you can see right here, the market is kind of like flat right now, since the past 2 days. So it doesn't, it's, to me, it doesn't look like it 100% has a draw. So I'm not looking for any crazy big moves. I'm still looking just to catch some internal and external, or just some internal range liquidity, and finding liquidity zones within the internal range. But I do think we are in a bit of a downtrend overall, which we are. So mostly looking for shorts during this time. So that's kind of usually how I do my morning setup. Is most of the time I'll start on a higher time frame and then I'll work my way down into a lower time frame in order, to get a good idea of where the market's going to go for the day. But and then I'll just, but then most of the time I will just be on the 2-minute chart, just chilling, and that's usually what I take a trade off of, is the 2-minute chart. So yeah, that's kind of how I make my setups for the morning. But right now we're just waiting until after news to take a trade. So yeah, because as you can see, the market's completely flat. Now we're just waiting until 7 a.m. And the 4-hour candle closes. Yeah, 4 minutes. Is anybody in here still in school? I just finished school. It's already summer for me. Alright, it looks like overall it wants to head towards sell side liquidity. So I would say look out for some shorts. You usually do this live analysis. I'm new on this channel. Yeah, I'm live every single morning. But I actually did just launch my Discord group. So it's pretty much just me, Discord run by me, and I just teach people kind of how to trade. And also I do live twice a day. I go live in the morning and I go live at night. Morning live is trading, and you guys can copy my trades, or if you want to just, see what I do every single day. And then also at nighttime I do lives where I answer questions and I do charting sessions and kind of just plan out for the rest of the week and stuff like that. No, I've been out of college for 2 years. Oh, that's fine. So yeah, if that answers your question, today is probably my last live on YouTube. After that, I will be still uploading videos every single day. But I will be on my Discord doing lives and things like that. Just got into trading a few months ago. That's fire, bro. That's fire. Alright, here we go. Now we're starting to see some actual movement. What strategy do you trade, Ja? Alright, I like this sell-off. Still not gonna probably touch the market until 7 a.m. I don't want to screw with anything. And this does look like a silver bullet model though, I can't lie. And I don't like those little volume imbalances. That's not stuff I like to see. Well, it ran through this fair value gap. So definitely be looking for shorts off this. Oops. This might be actually a good time to get into shorts, but then again, like I said, I want to wait until 7 a.m. until news. Just been trying to find a strategy. Just been looking at different vids. You got any tips? Yeah. So I really like trading ICT. I think his strategy for me makes the most sense. Like overall. Oh wow, look at that candle come in. Oh. His strategy to me makes the most sense overall. And so that's what I trade and that's what I teach as well. And that's another thing I actually will be doing in my Discord is I'll be teaching people kind of like my strategy and what exactly I look for, how to use it, and just everything all around. So if that's something, any of you guys are interested in, feel free. I just got my first member yesterday to the Discord, so pretty excited about that. But yeah, I trade ICT, if that's, what you were wondering. Man, this candle came flying in. Ooh la la la. Well, let's see what the market does now. After that news candle. See? This is why I don't trade before news, guys. Because stuff like that happens. I always wait till after news. Okay, now I really want to take this buy side liquidity before we go short. I want to take this internal range. The link to your Discord. The link to my Discord is in my live. If you go look in my last video, I can actually probably leave it. I can probably put it in my live. I will give you guys the link to my Discord. I got to get it real quick. bear with me for 1 second, and I'll put the link to my Discord in the chat. All right, there you go. I just put my link to the Discord in the chat. Alrighty. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, well, might get a trade today. We'll see. It just depends. But the way that the market looks right now, it doesn't seem too promising. It's 20, right? Might join this sometime this month. Yeah, it's $20 a month. So I want to keep it like reasonably priced for people, but also at the same time, it's like trading's one of those things where like even the information is like not expensive, but you know, I'd rather have, you know, I'm good at something, so like I don't want to sell myself short, you know, when I at least could be giving people value, but also getting something from it as well. So yeah, feel free to join anytime, and if you don't, that's no problem at all. I still upload every single day, so a video. You know, feel free. But it's just, it kind of gives you more of an in-depth, especially in the early stages of it. If you join early on, like you can get a lot more information. And I mean, anyone will get information from it and value from it. It's just, you might have like more like one-on-one with me, like calls and stuff like that. So just something to keep in mind. Man, I am not liking the look of the market at all. This is not stuff that I want to see. And just broke through this. See, now we broke through this inverse. This is interesting. I still think we're gonna go short. I mean, we were, how many points away were we from this? Not even 15 points. That's awesome. I just wanted to see, yeah. There's just not much movement. It keeps coming down to this fair value gap right here, and then rejecting off. Like it literally comes right here, and then it rejects off the fair value gap. Oh. How was school, man? You ready for college? Yeah, school is good. I mean, it's kind of weird. I still don't like, I'm still not like it hasn't really hit me yet that like I've graduated high school. But yeah, I'm kind of ready for all the next chapter of my life, for all the things to come, you know. I'm kind of just looking forward to getting a fresh start in life, kind of, because, you know, for the past, how long is it, 12 or 14 years, I've been with the same people doing the same shit, so I'm kind of ready for a change, you know? And I feel like that's how most people are, at least when you finish high school. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited because now I can, really grind out trading and YouTube and a bunch of other stuff as well. So kind of gives me more time to like lock in with stuff. All right, this looks like a really, really solid short opportunity here. I mean, this short looks really solid. I just don't like the way the 5 minute looks. That's the only thing. 'Cause I'm not a fan of the way the 5 minute looks. Because I don't like that all of these candles keep projecting off this fair value gap right here. Literally, it keeps coming in and it keeps rejecting off this here. I'm not liking that. Like, it just continues to do that, so I'm not a fan of that. Not at all. So I'm gonna wait to go short until we can break through this fair value gap right here, since that's a really, really big point of interest. I'm gonna wait until it breaks that. So if we can break that, then that's probably when I'll go short. So yeah, hoping we break this and then we can go short. Because if we break this fair value gap, then that's a pretty good indication of us going short. Because as you can see on the 5 minute, it's not really doing a whole lot. And I don't think we're going to take buy side. I think we're just going to go probably right down to sell side liquidity. So hopefully we just break through this and then I can get my 25 points and get out. La, la, la. La, la, la. Dude, there's literally no... I mean, this looks terrible. Like, the market literally looks like some shit. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I seriously hate this a lot. Because it's not giving me any sense of direction right now. Just joined the Discord, so much value in there. Thanks for starting that. You're welcome. You're welcome. That's kind of the point. Trying to give you all some value. See? Got one happy customer. So, Jaw, if you want to join, there's your, there's your reference if you are thinking about joining the Discord. Oh, okay, I might break through this fair value gap. That's just what I want to see, actually. If it can just stop projecting off this fair value gap, then that would be great. would be great. Or it'll just continue to reject off it. This is actually the most annoying thing in the world. Because this fair value gap here is the only thing keeping this from falling right now. There's no more news the rest of the day, so I don't know why it's just being all sloppy and shit. It's frustrating. I just wanted to break through this fair value gap. That's all I wanted to do. And then I will go short. Let's break through this, please. Okay, I like it. I like it. I like it. We're breaking through it. That's what I like to see. Yes, sir. Perfect. That's what I wanted to see. Now I can set up for shorts because if it comes back up here, you know, target and get my 25 points. So yeah, let's hope it comes back up this way. So we'll wait a little bit longer to set the limit order, but for now we're just going to wait. But I did like the breakthrough of that, so that works out pretty well. That's what I like to see. So hopefully we continue down to this south side zone. That's what I'm looking for. We did create this 5-minute fair value gap here. So okay, I guess not. Anything on the 2-minute? Not really. Man, I don't want to say like no trading day quite yet, but it's kind of the way it looks. To be honest with you, usually by now it's already been 15 minutes after news. There should have been something, but there hasn't really been anything at all. So it's interesting, but I'll just keep on waiting and we'll see. Keep on waiting. Well, after today, I'm not going to be streaming on YouTube or anything like that, and my YouTube channel is more just kind of like it's more of really just trade recaps and like, you know, day in the life stuff, where the Discord's kind of me trading every single day. In the morning I live trade. You guys can even copy my trades if you would like to, but if you're gonna copy trades from me, I'd rather you know why I'm taking this trade instead of just copying it. And then I also do charting sessions every single night as well. So it's kind of just like asking questions and kind of going over the market for, you know, for everyone that is kind of new as well, but also just, going over the market, and everyone can kind of voice their opinions and things like that. And, just kind of more in depth. And you can also like schedule one-on-one calls too with me if you're in the Discord, and I can help you with something specific that you want that I can't answer as a general question to just, like everybody. So yeah, that's kind of my plan for the Discord. So this will be my last live on YouTube, and then I will just continue to post on YouTube every single day, but mainly focusing on like the Discord and stuff like that, because I'm trying to bring value for people. Trensky, yo, what's up, bro? How you doing? How are you doing? Man, the market is just awful today. Are you going to be dropping any vids in there or keeping it on YouTube? Like, what do you mean? Like, am I going to be making videos and posting them only in the Discord? I was actually thinking about that. That's what you're asking. But I might stick with videos just for YouTube, because my Discord's more about like just me, like interacting with me and stuff like that. So yeah. Chilling, man. That's good. That's good. Man, some terrible market conditions today. Compared to yesterday moved really well, and then today we're not doing much. Exclusive teaching vids? Yeah, I mean, that could definitely be something I would do. I would definitely consider that for sure. You traded yesterday? Yeah, I did trade yesterday. The trade recap is up on my channel. And we're breaking through this fair value gap, or what? How long have you been trading? I've been trading. That's a good question. I was actually thinking about this the other day. For the total time that I've been exactly trading, I would probably say about like since like last July. So what is that, like 10 months maybe? But my market experience goes back to like when I was like a freshman in high school. Um like, so yeah, my overall market experience goes back like 3 or 4 years, because I've been investing in crypto and also just investing in individual stocks and things like that. So my overall market knowledge is more than just the 10 months of experience of actually day trading that I have. Every other trader has like $200 courses. Yeah, exactly. I mean, most traders make you pay like $500 for a course, or even in the thousands. I just wanted to like really break through this fair value gap, this 5 minute one, in order for me to go short. I started trading 8 months ago. Hey, bro, that's fire. Is this like your first time in the financial markets 8 months ago? Because like for me, it wasn't my first time in the actual financial markets. Like I had been involved with a lot of this before. So It was new in the sense that I had to learn a strategy for the intraday stuff, but overall, I had some decent market knowledge. I'm close to passing this funded. Hey, bro, that's fire. Good for you. Yeah, I was on a funded before this one, or not this one, but the one before this one. Um, and it actually went really well. I passed it and everything, but I had like one really bad week, and I lost the funded. And either way, I wasn't tripping about it because I told myself like nothing really mattered until like summertime. So now, pretty much, I've done crypto before. Oh, that's fire. What kind of crypto have you done? Because I just do like a lot of passive crypto. I don't trade like crypto and stuff like that, like intraday. I just have a lot of money in crypto. Uh, it's looking like a no trading day, which is unfortunate, but the market has not done anything at all. Literally nothing at all. I was just putting money in. Yeah, that's how it be at the beginning though. You just fucking you put money into stuff and you don't even really know like what it is. But that's okay. We all start somewhere with, things like that. It takes time to really learn it. But that's with anything in life. Anything in life, it takes a lot of time to learn. So, so yeah. If any of you are new here, this is my last live on YouTube, and then I will be strictly going live in the Discord after today. So, if you guys do want to join the Discord, feel free. I will still have YouTube videos posted every single day, day in the life, all that kind of stuff. The Discord's just going to be more for helping people and also just kind of creating a community of people to, whatever you want it to be, whatever you want that community to be. So, yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be really good. And it's only $20 a month. So, you know, if you guys want to, feel free. If not, that's totally okay with me. But yeah, I'm hyped. I'm really hyped. I have a lot of big plans for everything that goes on in there. And I got my first. We got our first member yesterday at 11 a.m. So it's awesome. Ooh, la, la, la. I wonder what yes looks like. Same thing. I actually want to start a Discord group. That shit seems fire. Yeah, no, I'm excited. I'm hella hyped. I got a lot of plans for the community coming, so I'm excited. Oh, man. Nothing is happening. This is just how it be sometimes. Sometimes you just literally just don't trade, which is completely okay. That's just a part of it's the name of the game. Sometimes you just simply don't trade. Let's see what the weather's gonna be like today. Oops. So it's 96 today and 95 tomorrow. That's pretty warm. What time? I'll finish work at about 1 p.m. It'll be 93. Great. Ooh, oh, man. It's gonna be interesting. Nothing exciting going on. It's already been an hour of market open. I don't know if I'm gonna get a trade today. Which is okay. I mean, you guys don't have to trade every single day. For the people that are in here that are new, you don't need to trade every day. Please don't trade every day because you're gonna lose your money. Now what are we doing? What is the market doing now? I see what it wants to do. It might reject off this and then fall down. We'll see. I ain't gonna lie, I might take shorts if we inverse this 1 minute. Which 1 minute? Yeah. I think it's gonna reject off this fair value gap here, most likely. Unless it just rips through it. Which it might. This would be a good stab at longs here. $10.28. Oh, I see. Yeah. Let's see. Are we going to reject off this here? Probably. I think we're now finally going to take buy side liquidity. Okay. I actually really like the look of that for longs. But at the same time, I don't want to just randomly take a trade. Wow, it came back down and touched that fair value. Yeah, that was interesting. Ooh la la la, that's the word. I'm gonna get my money. I like to see that. See, this might be my opportunity for shorts. I'm not gonna lie to you. This might be the opportunity that I've been looking for. Possibly. We will see. I'm gonna get me. I'm in shorts right now, lol. Yeah, I'm still kind of waiting for a good opportunity, but hey, if you had the right bias, fucking good, bro. Good for you. I think it's rejecting off this fair value gap here. So if we inverse this, then yeah. Nice. This right here is what I would wait for shorts, personally. Is I want to wait for the break of this. Both those inverses. Just like that. For me to comfortable to go short. See, now I feel comfortable going short. Limit sell too. Stop by.
Order filled.
Wait till I get my money. All right, my take profit is at this this fair value gap range right here. And then my stops are right here at this candle's high. I gotta stop that.
Order filled.
Damn, that's crazy. Just like that. I don't understand. That doesn't make any sense at all. Because where was it drawing to? I don't understand where it was drawing. Like, it shouldn't be, because it came off this fair value gap. It rejected all the way back down here, and it broke through one inverse. It broke through two inverses, and then it continues up. Like, that doesn't make sense to me. But hey, that's just the name of the game, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I probably shouldn't have traded today, but that looked like a solid setup because the market finally actually started to do what I wanted it to do. And I didn't think we were going to take buy side, which I still don't think we are, because we have this order block right there. Maybe I should have just trusted my gut and went long, but we'll see. That's fine. Well, that's trading for today. Took a loss, but I mean, that's just the name of the game, you know? That's just a part of it. So we'll see what the market does. Yeah, I thought it was going to drop lower. Yeah, I thought it was too, based off the fact that it rejected off this order block here, and also this, or not, this order block here and this fair value gap, and I don't know, it didn't really make sense for it to really come down like it did. So I mean, that's fine. Things happen. But it's just gonna go long now to take buy side liquidity, but that's okay. I mean, yeah, I guess I should have trusted my gut and went long, but the way it just looked like a good setup for short, if that makes sense. Probably going to Asia highs? Probably. I mean, like, yeah. Yeah, it looked like it was good to go. You just joined the Discord? I think I'm the second, right? Yeah, you are the second. Hey, bro, I appreciate that. Sorry you had to watch that loss I took. I don't know. I don't like when things like this happen. Especially with the market. Like yesterday, the market moved really, really well. And I don't know why like it's flat all day. Like we had the obviously the news candles and stuff like that, which is great. But because the news candles kind of set us up for what's going to happen next. And so like this is one of those times where I'm just confused on why it continued up when we had a fair value gap here. It bounced off the order block. It literally had a straight candle that just shot down, and like I get in for shorts, and then it breaks through this inverse right here, which is what I was waiting for, was the break of that inverse, and then it doesn't continue down. It goes back up. So it breaks through fair value gap and then it goes back up. There's got to be more to it. You know what I'm saying? But hey, like I said, that's the name of the game. That's the way it is. It's okay because, I know I win more than I lose. A lot more than I lose. So it's one of those things where it's like if you know that you are winning more than you're losing and your losing is like very minimal, then it's it's good to keep that mindset, and come back the next day stronger and better. So yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna end the live there because I have to go do some work, some manual labor for the rest of the day, at around 8:30 Pacific time, my time. I think it's because we were in an uptrend on the higher time frame. Yeah. Well, see, here's the thing though, is look, if you see, like, we're not even in that much of an uptrend. Like, we're not in that much of an uptrend at all. Like, it's really not doing much here. Like, this whole area. Market making by on the fire. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't even look very good to me on the 4 hour since the past 2 days, whatever it's been. Um, so yeah, it is what it is though. I'm not tripping because, like I said, I know I win a lot more than I lose, so I'm okay with taking a loss. And that's just, either way, that's just a part of the process for anybody, no matter where you are. That's a part of the trading process. It's just something you just gotta get through. Um, and every day try to just get 1% better, and if you get 1% better every day, by the end of the year you're going to be in a completely different spot than you were before. So yeah, but with that, I'm going to end the live there. I still got to eat breakfast and shower and do all that good stuff, and get my morning together, and probably going to make a trade recap, going over today's trade and the markets in general and things like that. So yeah, I hope everyone is having a great morning and has a great morning, with whatever you're doing, whether you're, summer for you, enjoy your summer, whether you're working, whatever spot you're in. I hope you're doing well.